Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna talking about an update that Planet IX gave us on Discord. So, if you don't know where to find the Discord or how to join this Discord, I'm just gonna put this link in. I'm just gonna put this in the link down below to make it easier for you. But anyway, let's get into the update. So, if you go here if you go in the Discord and you go to your Planet IX Discord, and then you go on the official announcements over here. And on the recent update, you will see something like this. And it says, "Big news, everyone, Marketplace version 2. This is going to be a glorious week. The new Marketplace version 2 is going live, and they will have to pause Net Empire in Planet IX. So you're not gonna be able to use the Net Empire and Planet IX yet because they're gonna have to do some updates and testing to launch the new Marketplace version 2. And that's gonna happen on Wednesday, 8 a.m. UTC. 8 a.m. UTC here in Canada is 3 a.m. 3 a.m. EST. I'm not sure what it is in the Philippines, but I think it might be 3 p.m. in the Philippines since it's 3 a.m. here in Canada. But anyways, on Wednesday, 8 a.m. UTC, they are gonna be pausing Net Empire for updates and testing so that they're gonna launch the new Marketplace version 2. And then on Friday, they're gonna relaunch the Marketplace, the version 2 Marketplace, the new Marketplace. They're gonna relaunch it, and we're gonna be able to use it. They didn't say the exact time yet, but they're gonna announce it. It says right there. But the mission control will still be able to use it and be able to play on it. And that is all for this update. There isn't much to say. Um, so I'm just gonna go down here, and that's what the update is. Okay, bye bye. That's it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and our other videos as well. Comment, like, subscribe, and watch out for our videos. Bye bye.